Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is ready and you can prove ownership. Sign in to the same My account used on the Redmi, connect to Wi-Fi, and charge above 50%. Once done, go to Settings, right arrow My account, or visit My Com from a PC so you can use account recovery or remote tools. You must confirm the account, email, or phone. That verification is the key that lets you bypass app lock without data loss when the proper My credentials are available. You next use My Cloud's Find Device or the Security Recovery Flow. For My Com, sign in with your My account, pick the device, and choose the Remote Unlock or Remove Lock option. Follow on-screen verification steps like code via email or SMS. Once verified, the Cloud tool can clear locks managed by My Services. Make sure to wait for the device to be online and synced. Otherwise, try sending a remote request and then reconnect the phone to Wi-Fi for the command to apply. You only use factory reset when My account recovery absolutely fails. This is the last resort because it erases user data. Power off, boot into recovery, usually power plus volume up, choose wipe data/factory reset, and confirm. Once the phone restarts, sign back into your My account and restore any cloud backup. If the reset doesn't remove the lock, check that you use the same My account or reattempt My Cloud verification. Tip: if verification codes don't arrive, check spam/.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.